guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be reviewing this toy. It's called the Fly Orb, and it looks really fun. So let's get straight into it. So this is the box that it comes in. Looks like that. It has, it looks very cool. Here's the charger. This is very safe because you can fly it inside because the propellers are inside the ball, so you don't gotta worry about it not being safe. So I'm charging it right now, and I'll get back to you when it's done charging.